What's up, ladies and general weapons? How y'all doing today? What I'm doing today is actually bringing you an unboxing. I'll do a review and a setup video later on. I just want to go ahead and get this out of the way. But this, I'm totally in the light. This is bad lighting, I know, but whatever. Let me turn the camera around front. It's been a long day at work. But yeah, we're getting this video made. So anyways, we have the Anycubic Photon Mono 4. Either way. It's a resin 3D printer. The resin's supposed to come Wednesday. Just, like I said, I'm just doing an unboxing. I'm going to take my knife and cut it open. Alright. Don't do what I just did, hold the knife like that and then not close it. Let me get out of the way. Alright, so in the box, starting out, I can see we got paperwork. Alright, so it could be packaged differently, but hopefully it stays level and stuff like that. Hold on just a second, I'll put it more into the frame. It's supposed to have like gloves and everything. It has a little smiley face on top. Yeah, cool. But then this should lift right off. Yep. There's the paperwork. Installation, usage, and instructions. I'll look at that here in a minute. I may do a second take or a second part of this tonight. I don't know. This should be the lid and all components there. Yeah, the Anycubic lid from the actual resin printer. Put that there. In the top part of the stuff, you have the build plate. The top of what it sticks to on the actual 3D printer. I'm sure if you've watched any other videos, it has it in there. So if you haven't, this is the build plate, and there's also like a nice groove or texture. I don't know. I haven't really looked at it yet, but I've seen it on other ones. The Photon Mono 4 has these. I'll set that right here for just now, and then we'll fling this crap out the way into the box, and I'll go take that out to trash here in a minute. This is the FEP. I won't unbox this. Well, I'll take it out at least and show you. Oh, it does have a protective screen on there. The FEP, where the resin goes in to, it has a protective film on the bottom. So I'll set that over here on that. In the next box, this should be gloves and tools. Yeah, so we've got Anycubic pass, the power cable here. There's the power cable for it. I'll put that on top of there. It comes with the USB drive with, the USB drive with everything that you can actually put into it. I can put a link in the description for where I got this at on Amazon. But it's just little, it has all the 3D prints for testing and stuff like that. I'm going to set that right next to that. We got a pack of gloves and plastic spatulas and Allen wrenches to tighten and untighten the build plate. A metal spatula, set that there. Some filters and masks for the actual thing itself, for the resin itself, sorry. And then a couple of screws for the Z and Y axis, or Z axis, I'm assuming. I think that's the right axis. I don't even know. I'm very tired tonight, ladies and general weapons, but I figured I'd bring this video to you, and hopefully it gives you a little help on what to decide. But I bought this on Amazon. It was on sale the other day. I'm sure they'll run another sale for Black Friday. It was like $189 plus tax. I had a what is the word? Coupon card, basically a gift card. Sorry, I can't even think. I'm getting old. But then you have the actual printer itself. It's got ASMR paper, sticky paper. I'll do that probably in the second video when I'm setting it up, when I can sit down. But I'm going to put that here. This is supposed to be a 10K printer. I'd be cool with 4K. It was cheap. I bought it. It's here. I'm putting all that garbage in the box. I may need to keep it. But yeah, you get all this stuff in the box. Exactly how it's unpacked. I'll zoom in. Actually, I'll leave this open. Bring the FEP over here. And the build plate as well. I'll take that out of the packaging. I'll set that like that. Make it all nice and prettified for like a thumbnail or whatever. But yeah, that's everything you get in the package. I won't touch the FEP. Don't put fingerprints on the FEP because it will get oils on off of your hands, supposedly, and it'll mess up it'll scratch easier. But let me flip this around, move it in. Just a tad, sorry for the jerkiness, and then move it down some for the thumbnail. Alright, so there's all the pieces. In the right hand corner you got the paperwork. To the left of that you have the FEP. To the left of that you have the charger. To the left of that you have the build plate. Behind the build plate on the left hand side you have the top to keep it all concentrated in the same bin, to keep the vapors from going everywhere, and also from keeping UV light out so it doesn't create more problems for your prints. The actual printer itself and all the tools at the bottom right, or at the top right of the picture. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Weapons. We got about 6 minutes and 5 seconds, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Alright, if you want to see more of this video, of these kind of videos, unboxings, reviews, I'm going to do a setup video next. I'll probably need some more light. I may do it tomorrow. But yeah, we'll go with that. And I'll post this unboxing, and then we'll keep posting. I need to post a setup video too. So definitely like, follow, and subscribe, whatever, yada, yada, yada. Thank y'all for watching. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen. Weapons.